Hello everyone. In this video we are going to learn the concept of round robin tournament with the help of Cricket World Cup 2023. In the upcoming Cricket World Cup 2023, 10 teams will be participating named A to J. In the first round, each team will play against all other teams once. A win in any match will earn a team 2 points, while a loss will not result in any points. Also, it is given that no match will end in a draw. Once all the matches are completed, the 4 teams with the highest number of points will proceed to the semi-finals. If 2 or more teams end up with the same number of points, a team with a better run rate will be ranked higher. Based on this information, answer the following questions. So now over here what data is given, there are 10 teams, every team will play with every other teams. A win will earn 2 points and a loss will earn 0 points. Every match ends with a result, no match ended in a draw. So let's have a look at question number 1. Question number 1 says that what is the minimum number of points with which a team can advance to semi-final? So as per question, there are 10 teams A to J. In the first round, every team is going to play with every other team. So let's find the total number of matches first of all. So there are 10 teams, we need to choose 2 teams for a 1 match. So in how many different ways we can choose 2 teams out of 10 teams? The answer is 10C2. That is equal to 10 into 9 divided by 2. That is equal to total 45 matches are going to happen. And a question says that a win will attract 2 points, whereas for the loss no points are awarded. So the total number of points at the end of these 45 matches is going to be 45 into 2, that is equal to 90 points. The sum of all the points for all these 10 teams at the end of 45 matches is going to be 90 points. And we know that top 4 teams will play semi-finals. Let's say A, B, C, D are the top 4 teams. So A, B, C, D, A is a rank 1 team, B is a rank 2 team, and so on. Likewise, J is a rank 10 team. Top 4 teams, that is A, B, C, D, will advance to semi-final. So now the question is, what is the minimum number of points with which a team can advance to semi-final? It means we need to minimize the points of team D. Team D is the team which qualified at last for semi-final. Team A is the first qualifier, team B is second qualifier, team C is third qualifier, and team D is fourth qualifier. So team D qualified for semi-final at last. We want to minimize the number of points for team D. We need to make sure that number of points of team D should not be more than that of A, B, and C, and it should not be less than that of E, F, G, H, and IG. So we need to minimize the points secured by team D, so we need to maximize the points secured by team A, B, and C. So let's maximize. The maximum number of wins that team A can have. Every team is going to play 9 matches. Each team is going to play 9 matches. So 9 into 2, that is equal to 18. The maximum number of points team A can score is 18. Now B is going to play 9 matches. Out of that 9 matches, 1 match is lost, which was against A. So team B can win maximum 8 matches. 8 into 2, that is equal to 16 points. The maximum wins for team C is going to be 9 minus 2, that is 7 into 2, that is equal to 14. So the maximum number of points that team A, B, and C, that is top 3 teams, can secure is 18, 16, and 14. So 18, 16, and 14, this sum is how much? This sum is 48. So total number of points are 90. Out of that 90, first top 3 teams scored 48 points. Now the remaining are 42 points. Now we want to keep the points scored by D minimum, and it should be more than or equal to the remaining teams A to J. So we want D to minimize, so we will try to make it equal to the other bottom teams. So the number of teams left are 7. So divide these 42 points into 7 teams equally. So every team will get 6 points. So from this, what we can conclude that even after scoring 6 points, a team can play semi-final even after scoring 6 points. Now if 2 or more teams are having same number of points, then the run rate comes into the role. The team having better run rate will get the 4th position. It means a team which scored 6 points will get 4th position over here. So there are chances of playing a semi-final even after scoring 6 points. It cannot guarantee to play a semi-final, but yes, even after scoring 6 points, there are chances a team can play semi-final. So the answer of this question is 6. After this, let's have a look at question number 2. What is the maximum number of points that can be scored by a team which failed to advance in the semi-final? So let's have a look at it. We want to maximize number of points scored by a team which failed to advance in semi-final. So there are 10 teams, there are 45 matches, and total 90 points are going to be there. Now ABCD are top 4 teams which are going to play semi-final. ABCD are top 4 teams which are going to play semi-final. Now E is the latest team. E is the latest team which failed to advance in semi-final. E to J, these are the total 6 teams which failed to advance in the semi-final. But among these 6 teams, which team is the better one? E is better one because E is ranked higher. So we want to maximize the points scored by team E. We want to maximize the points scored by team E which failed to advance in semi-final, which is better among all the teams which failed to advance in semi-final. So if we want to maximize E, we need to make sure that the points of E should be less than or equal to ABCD, and points of E should be more than or equal to F, G, H, I and J. So now if you want to maximize E, let's minimize these 5 teams. Let's minimize the points scored by these 5 teams. Now how many matches will happen among these 5 teams only? For example, a match between F and G, F and H, we cannot give the points of the match F and G to some other team. So 5C2, that is equal to, there are going to be 5 into 4 divided by 2, 10 matches are going to happen in between these 5 bottom teams into 2, so 20 points are going to be there. The minimum number of points these 5 teams can score is 20 points. Now how many points are left? 90 minus 20, that is equal to 70 points are left now. These 70 points we need to distribute among A, B, C, D, E. Now we need to maximize the points of E. Now the points of E should be less than A, B, C, D, or it should be equal to as well. So as we want to maximize E, we will try to keep it equal to A, B, C, D. So what we will do is divide this 70 points in between 5 teams equally. So each team will get 14 points. So A will score 14, B will score 14, C 14, D 14 and E 14. And by using the better run rate, A, B, C, D become top 4 teams, they will play semi-final, and because of the lower run rate, E will not qualify for the semi-final. So from this what we come to know, even after scoring 14 points, means even after winning 7 matches out of 9 matches, a team cannot play semi-final. Even after scoring 14 points, a team cannot play semi-final. The answer of this question is 14. So over here you can see that A, B, C, D, E, these 5 teams won 7 matches respectively, individually. How this can happen? If this question comes in your mind, let me show you one table over here. Over here, this is the table in which you can see that there can be 5 teams, team A, B and C, after that I and J. These are the 5 teams which are having exactly 7 wins each. So this is very much possible. After this, let's have a look at question number 3. Question number 3 is, what is the minimum number of points that can be scored by a team to guarantee the participation in the semi-final? So let's have a look at it. So over here, the important keywords is minimum and then guarantee the participation in semi-final. In the first question, what we saw, even after scoring 6 points, a team can play a semi-final. But it's not guaranteed that even after scoring 6 points, a team must play semi-final. No, there are some chances of playing semi-final. Question number 2 says that even after scoring 14 points, a team cannot play a semi-final. Even after scoring 14 points, the maximum number of points that team can score, which does not qualify for the semi-final, is 14. Means even after scoring 14 points, a team cannot play semi-final. Means to guarantee this participation in semi-final, a team must score 15 points. One more point, 15 points. This is for to guarantee.